So one of the awesome things about staying right here at PAC, right here on the water, is when the tide's right, you can walk out to the dock, any one of these docks, and catch some fish. And I was trying to figure out, man, we gotta go to the grocery store. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat for lunch. So I just took my rod, made maybe 2 or 3 casts, and was able to catch this. All right, was able to get a nice little 20-inch red that's about to be lunch. So I'm gonna do something pretty simple. Get back in there. I'm just gonna go over here to my outside kitchen and heat up some oil. I'm gonna use this Louisiana fish fry, but this one I'm gonna use the little bit spicier one, the spicy recipe. Fry them up, put them on some bread, and that's gonna be lunch. All right, you helping me out?
Yeah.
All right, hold the bag open. There we go. All right, there's the fish fry. All right, then what we gotta do is we gotta put our little fish fillets in there, and then these pieces are for you.
I will put some in.
Yeah, put one in. Go ahead.
It's yucky.
I got it. All right, good deal. There we go. Shake it up real good. Is it all shaken up?
Yeah.
All right, good. Thanks. All right. Here's fillet number 1 for my sandwich. Let's get fillet number 2 for this sandwich. All right. Woo! There we go. All right. They're getting pretty fried up right here. Woo, hot. And that's it. Just some fillets and some toast. That's all you need. Super fresh.
And then also, we are going to make some fish fry.
Yep, and we got a little bit of little fish in there. Caught them and cooked them within 5 minutes. That's the way to do it, right, buddy?
Yeah.
High five. High five. Nice.